e-buses, e-cars, e-commercial vehicles, e-forklifts, and more are the future of electromobility. This technological future requires safe, reliable, and sustainable systems and applications, and the direct current required to power this movement. As experts in direct current switching and control, Schaltbau is at the front leading the charge in developing and manufacturing the necessary electromechanical components for the future. This electric future demands not only the safe transport of passengers and cargo, but also the safe transport and access to direct current. Future smart cities will rely on a system of public charging stations ranging from individual cable-based solutions to higher capacity mast-based charging solutions. Each system and application will require conditions in which a stable connection, secure contact, and safe control of power are vitally important. These challenging conditions are what makes Schaltbau qualified for this future. Their connectors are built to meet the demands of high-capacity loads, wide-ranging temperatures, and highly reactive acids within their environments. Their new bidirectional DC contactors are engineered for continuous current up to 500 amps, high making and breaking capacities, and a high short time withstand current, thus ensuring high operational safety.
Our initiatives are, how do we get our products, whether it's a charging connector, 500 amps for a forklift, or a battery disconnect contactor, 500 amps, 1000 volts on a vehicle, on a truck, on a bus, and even bigger on mining vehicles for the 1200 amp, 2000 amp, 3000 volt applications.
To help propel you into this future safely and reliably, see our selection of Schaltbau connectors and contactors at galco.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Galco TV so you can be notified when new videos are posted every week.